Okay, now we're multiplying a binomial times a trinomial. A few ways you can do that. One way that I think is easiest is just if you think of it like distribution. So if we distribute this x to everything, then we'll distribute the -2 to everything, and then we'll combine our like terms and make sure it's in standard form. So x times 1 is x. X times 3x is 3x squared. And x times negative x squared, you have a positive times negative, becomes negative x to the third. So one method that I like is I would prefer to have it in standard form from the get-go, but that's fine. But I like to stack them on top of each other with their like terms. So when I do -2 times 1, which gives me -2, there are no like terms here. So I'm just going to kind of give it its own column. And then if I do -2 times 3x, that would be -6x. So I'm going to put that with my other x's. So we have -6x. And then we have -2 times -x squared becomes +2x squared. So I'm going to put that with my other x squareds. So this is nice because then they're all stacked correctly. So 1x minus 6x is -5x. 3x squared plus 2x squared is 5x squared. We just have the -1x to the third, -x to the third, and we just have the -2. Now this is not in standard form, so we're going to reorder them. The highest exponent is this to the third power, so we'd have -x to the third plus 5x squared minus 5x minus 2. That would be our final answer there. So you don't have to stack them. That's just the way I prefer because it helps me stay organized when I'm doing it. But hey, do whatever works for you. Now on this one we have a trinomial times a trinomial. So again, I think it's helpful to just think of it as distribution. We're going to multiply this x to the second power times everything in the other set of parentheses. So x squared times x squared is x to the fourth. X squared times -x would be -x to the third. And x squared times 1 would be x squared. So now let's hit everything with the 3x. 3x times x squared is 3x to the third. So I'm going to put that with my other x to the thirds. 3x times -x would be -3x squared. And 3x times 1 would be 3x. Last one, we got to multiply everything by -5. -5 times x squared, -5x squared. -5 times -x would be +5x. And -5 times 1 would give us -5. Now this one, we already have our highest degrees first. So when we just take everything straight down, it'll be in standard form. We have the x to the fourth, just bring it down. -1 x to the third plus 3 would be +2x to the third. We have +1 minus 3 is -2, minus 5 is -7x squared. 3x plus 5x is 8x. And then we just bring down our -5. And that's it. So I got 2 for you to try here. Try them out. Pause here. I'll work them. You got this.